The cochleariform process on the middle ear is related to dash wall. So we know that cochleariform process is there in the middle ear. It is related to dash wall is the question. Quick. I'm waiting for your answers. Yes, so we know that cochleariform process is a projection that we have on the medial wall of the middle ear. Usually you get confused with pyramid. Pyramid is on the posterior wall. Cochleariform process is on the medial wall. What is the landmark for the first genu of the facial nerve and second genu of the facial nerve? Again, a very important question. So facial nerve enters from the inner ear to the medial wall of the middle ear, and when it does so, it takes a turn which we call it as the first genu. Then it runs horizontally on the medial wall of the middle ear, and from there it takes a turn and goes to the posterior wall. So this turn we call it as the second genu. So the landmark for your first genu is going to be the cochleariform process. And for the second genu, what is the landmark you see on the projection on the posterior wall? What is it? It is your pyramid. Easy. Now, can you all quickly revise what is the landmark for the horizontal segment of the facial nerve? It runs above which window? Above the oval window. Below which canal? Below the lateral semicircular canal. And then we have this vertical segment of the facial nerve. This vertical segment of the facial nerve, the landmark is a suture. This suture is present between the middle ear and the mastoid behind. So what will it be called as? Middle ear is called as tympanic cavity, mastoid is behind. So what do we call this suture as? We call this as tympanomastoid suture. So for vertical segment, what is the landmark? It is your tympanomastoid suture line.